Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm TechnoCradt, and I'm super excited to have you here. On this channel, you can expect reviews of the newest smartphones, laptops, and tech devices, also tech news updates. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Let's dive in. Apple might be gearing up to launch a new app called Invites, according to findings in the recently released iOS 18.3 Beta 2 update. Here's what we know so far. What is the Invites app? Likely designed for organizing meetings and events, letting users send invites and track RSVPs. It's unclear if this will be a standalone app or integrated into Calendar or iMessage. Beta references. The app first appeared in the iOS 18.2 beta as Apple Invites, but didn't make it to the final release. Its appearance in iOS 18.3 Beta 2 suggests it might launch alongside the full version of iOS 18.3. What else is coming in iOS 18.3? Although iOS 18.3 might not match the transformative updates of its predecessor, it still promises several additions. Apple Home app. Support for robot vacuums. Calculator app. Enhanced functionality. General improvements, minor updates, bug fixes, and optimizations. Recap of iOS 18.2 features. Released in December, iOS 18.2 introduced major innovations. Apple Intelligence features. Image Playground. AI-powered image manipulation. Genmoji. Create personalized emojis. Mail app. Redesign. A cleaner interface with email scheduling and follow-up reminders. Default apps. New EU-compliant options for setting default email, browser, and messaging apps. Improvements across Find My, Photos, and Safari. When will iOS 18.3 be released? The full version of iOS 18.3 could launch in just a few weeks. Stay tuned for Apple's official announcements. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, don't forget to like, comment, and share it with your friends. And for those who haven't subscribed yet, click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss my latest videos. See you in the next one. Bye.